Listen up, you muppets tired of serving up sad salads with store-bought greens that taste like they were grown in a sewer? Then get your bloody hands dirty and grow your own. We're about to transform your kitchen into a thriving garden with these simple, bloody, brilliant hacks. We'll cover everything from starting seeds to keeping those plants alive, even if you're a complete disaster in the kitchen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. And stick around for a bonus tip at the end that'll make your plants grow like they're on steroids. First up, we're tackling those pathetic little seedlings. Instead of tossing those eggshells in the bin, give them a bloody good rinse and use them as biodegradable pots. Carefully crack the top of the egg, just enough to scoop out the yolk. Rinse the shell thoroughly and poke a small drainage hole in the bottom. Fill each eggshell with seed starting mix. Pop in your seeds and watch them bloody sprout. The shells will decompose, adding vital nutrients to the soil. It's a win-win, you donkey. Next, we're banishing thirsty plants and forgetful gardeners with a foolproof self-watering system. Grab an empty plastic bottle, one of those that should be recycled but somehow always ends up in the bloody bin. Carefully poke some holes in the bottle cap. Now cut the bottle in half. In the top half, which should look like a funnel, place a piece of fabric, like an old t-shirt you should have thrown out years ago. Invert the top half of the bottle into the bottom half, creating a reservoir. Fill the reservoir with water, and your plants will thank you for it. No more coming home to wilted lettuce. Now let's talk fertilizer, you caffeine addicts. Instead of chucking those used coffee grounds in the trash, sprinkle them onto your soil. Coffee grounds are like a bloody energy drink for your plants, releasing nitrogen as they decompose. Just don't go overboard or you'll end up with plants so hyped up they'll jump out of their pots. Mix the grounds into the top layer of soil and watch your plants thrive. It's like giving them a shot of espresso, but without the jitters. Want fresh herbs at your fingertips? Then ditch those sad supermarket sprigs and grow your own in bloody mason jars. It's easier than you think. First, layer the bottom of the jar with pebbles for drainage, because nobody likes soggy herbs. Then add potting soil and your herb seedlings. Place the jars on a sunny windowsill, water regularly, and boom, you've got yourself a living herb garden that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Take that, store-bought herbs. Finally, let's clean up this bloody mess. Forget fancy cleaning products. All you need is some good old-fashioned vinegar. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant that'll leave your gardening tools sparkling clean and free of any nasty bacteria. Fill a bucket with equal parts water and vinegar. Soak your tools for about 30 minutes, then scrub away any stubborn dirt or grime. Rinse thoroughly and dry them off. Your tools will be so clean, you could eat off them. Okay, maybe not, but you get the point. There you have it, you lot. 5 easy-to-follow gardening hacks that'll transform your kitchen into a green oasis. Remember, gardening shouldn't feel like hard work. It should be fun, rewarding, and maybe even a little bit therapeutic. Now get out there and start growing your own bloody feast. And now, as promised, here's your bonus tip. Use banana peels to boost plant growth. Simply bury banana peels in the soil near your plants to provide them with essential nutrients. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more game-changing gardening tips. Now get out of my kitchen.